Hey guys, welcome back. So today in this video I'll be showing you how you can install Oneplus Nord LIVE Wallpaper on any Android device without root or any such permissions. So first go to Play Store. Now search for wallpapers. So this is the Google app that you'll need to download. Once you have downloaded it, don't open. Now go back and search for files. Now make sure you install it. Once both of them are installed, go to the link provided and download the files. The files should look something like this. That should say 90 fps OP Nord Live Walls and the other one should say Oneplus Nord Live Wallpapers. So to open it, just tap on it and click on extract. Similarly, extract the other file. Now once both of them are extracted, for pixel experience or non-MIUI users, open the 90 fps folder. Now install all the APKs. Make sure you install all the APKs. I have already installed it, so I will not install it again. So once you have installed all the APKs, open Wallpapers app. Now scroll down until you find Live Wallpapers. Now here you will find wallpapers that's from Oneplus Nord. You can apply any of them of your choice. So if you try to apply it, click on set wallpaper and it will be applied. As you can see, it will look something like this. It looks cool when you unlock your device. So if you are an MIUI user, go back to files, open the other folder Oneplus Nord Live Wallpapers. Here you will find video wallpapers. You will just have to set these as your wallpapers using the MI theme app. That's it you have to do, and you will be all set with your Oneplus Nord. So if you enjoyed the video, do like, share and subscribe for more updates.